Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make money with the Achieve Investment app. 3 ways to make money with the Achieve Investment app. And in today's video I'm going to make live deposit so that you can see that it is legit and you can also use that to grow your money. So the first thing I'm going to do is to open the app. The link is in the description box. Click on the link and download the same app. Use the referral name or code that will pop up on the screen. Everything is simple. I'm going to open that. I've done a full video how to sign up with the Achieve Investment app. The link to will be in the description box. You can watch that after watching this video. So how do you make deposit? First thing first, let me show you how you can make money with this legit app. First is using the DigiSave account. And how do you do that? Just click on view all. Then these are all investment goals that I've created. So to create a new goal, just hit on this plus icon here. Now next, let me drag this up. Now next is to click on create an investment account. Okay, so let me clarify something here. You can make money with these two account. First is the DigiSave account. So as you can see, low risk investment option, mostly invested in treasury bills and bonds. We recommend that you invest for at least 1 month before withdrawing. The 12-month return on this investment is at 15.58% compared to 1.06 last month. Ideal for the beginner investor. So if you're a beginner investor, then use this DigiSave account. Okay, then the next is what? The Eurobond Trust, moderate risk investment option, fully invested in USD denominated investment. We recommend that you invest for at least 2 years before withdrawing your money. This investment generates a steady return of what? 8.20% last month. Ideal for the most second investors. So if you're a moderate investor, you can also use that. Watch the video to the very end and I will show you how to make money even if you don't make any deposit. So today's video, what I'm going to do is to make live deposits for you to see. So I'm going to use the low risk. Okay, for beginners, I'm not a low risk tolerant person. I'm a high risk tolerant person. Okay, so know yourself, know yourself, your risk management and your time horizon before you can invest. If you know that this money you'll be using it for your school fees, for your children's fees, for your electricity bill, anything, guys, don't invest. Investment is all about keeping your money for the long time and sitting back, making sure that your money works for you. Okay, so if you have something to do with the money, then don't invest. But if you don't have anything to do with the money, you can invest and leave that and you'll see the crazy amount that you earn with this DigiSave. So to do that, I'm gonna hit continue with DigiSave. Alright, so name your account. You can give it any name. It can be like savings for future, house, plan, car. Okay, so I'm gonna make it any name. Big moves. Okay, we do the big moves. Subscribe to the channel so that you learn the big moves. Small body but big brain. Okay, so just I'm gonna name it big moves. Hit done, then hit next. So please wait. Alright guys, so now you can see big moves account had been created. Okay, and it is DigiSave. If you check up there, you can see then I have nothing in the account. I'm going to show you how you can make live deposits. Okay, so what I'm going to do, as you can see, total top up is what? 0 Ghana cedis. Total earn is what? 0 Ghana cedis. And total withdrawal 0 Ghana cedis. So when you make deposit, it will appear in the total top up. And when you leave this money for a week, a month, some years, so you will be earning some interest. And that interest is what? 0.0411%, which is when it is being rated toward 2 Ghana cedis. So what I'm going to do is to top up. Okay, so when you come down, you can see what you are investing in. Annual yield return, you can see it is what? When you leave this money for almost 1 year, you're gonna make 23.12% of your money. then the daily change is also 0.0411%. then the share price is what? 2 Ghana cedis. So what do these terms mean? You can click on and know much about what you are investing in. Don't invest in something that you don't understand. Okay, so I'm not gonna take you through all these things. If you want, just click on what do these terms means and proceed from there. All right, you can also change the color of design it the way you want. I'm gonna stick to the default. Then next thing I'm gonna do is to hit on top up. All right, so the top up, this is where you enter the amount that you want to deposit. Okay, so I'm gonna top up you guys to see live. So these are the payment method available. You can make payment through mobile money, credit or debit card, then bank transfer, which is new method that they've introduced. I'm gonna make 900 Ghana cedis deposit. So there are some charges that you have to be aware of. All right, so let's hit on confirm amount, and I'm gonna use mobile money to make the deposit. Then you have to select your wallet. When you are signed up, you can link your wallet to your account. Okay, I'm gonna make the deposit through MTN. Hit continue. You have to confirm what you are doing. I decided to deposit 900 Ghana cedis, but due to the yield levies, okay, so I have to make it 897. Then hit on confirm. So they will show you a prompt. Okay, let me show you. So as you can see, I have to authorize what I'm doing. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna enter my PIN. So I'm gonna confirm it. So let me show you again. As you payment of 905 has been made successfully. So let's confirm the order in the achieve. Click on confirm transaction, so you can see top up of 897 Ghana cedis complete successfully. Your account should reflect the new balance very soon. Okay, so hit on OK. Then let's see, guys. So now you can see 897 Ghana cedis had been deposited into the Big Moves account. Okay, now we're gonna leave this money for some months, and we will check the total earn money here to show you that achieve is legit. You can use that to earn more interest. So how do you make money even if you don't make any deposit? Just click on profile here icon, then click here. So what you can do is to refer and earn point. Anytime you refer somebody and that person sign up, make his or her first deposit, you earn 10 Ghana cedis or a 10 point that can be redeemed as 10 Ghana cedis. That person will also earn 10 Ghana cedis. So all you have to do is to copy your referral link. As you can see, ways to refer by sharing your referral link. You can also refer by telling the person to use your referral name. So if you are about to sign up, I want you to use Isaac_Amwa as your referral. It will be in the description box and also pop up on the video. So anytime somebody clicks on that, make his or her first deposit, guys, you earn 10 Ghana cedis. So if in a day, if you're able to refer 10 people, meaning you can make 100 Ghana cedis a day, and you can use that as initial deposit to invest in the DigiSafe account or the Euro Trust bond. Very simple. So guys, this is the live deposit and ways to make money with the Achieve investment app. If this video helps you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.
Some space, I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument?